YouTube. This is my bike check. I recently did one, but I got some new parts. Up front, I have Kink lightest bar ends, Icoro Martinez, the dual grips, Kink Solus bars, Profile acoustic stem, Kink integrated headset, Kink foundation forks, which I just rode today. And then in the front wheel, I have G-Sport bird cage, laced to a Shadow Raptor with a Demolition Momentum tire. Frame is S&M Camwood 2. It was in trans blue, but I changed the color. Got profile cranks, the Tree spline drive sprocket, strongest sprocket in the world I hear. KMC chain. And the back wheel is a Shadow Raptor laced to an Odyssey hazard light with a Kink glider tire and a Demolition D-Step seat. And Kink bottom bracket, one trail mix pedal, one JCPC pedal. Thanks guys, hope you liked it.